You're gonna be blind. You won't be able to see.
Why don't you guys go ahead and slide in? Perfect.
Oh. Oh my god, I thought you said slide in. I was about to slide on the table.
That's exactly what he meant, actually.
Totally.
Mad, mad monkey man. Mad, mad monkey man.
Hey guys, I'm Dominic and welcome to Mad Mad Monkey Man. Today we're doing Domino's Hot Wings Challenge?
Taste test.
Taste test challenge.
Taste testing. Did you just almost attack me?
My thumb, yes.
First one.
Round one.
That smells pretty good.
Pop it open. Show it to the camera. Let's see what we got.
That looks interesting.
Oh, that looks good.
What is this?
Honey habanero wing. Pineapple. No, pineapple habanero.
Give me a full and just...
Yeah, take one.
I need a napkin. Yeah. Not doing this without a napkin, Jimmy.
That's two.
There. Oh, it just feels a bit messy.
Smack it? Oh, I guess not.
Lazy.
I guess we'll smack it.
Ah.
That was fast. His face is getting red.
Oh. It looks like the chicken from the... What's that place? Kung Fu Panda. Oh.
Panda Express?
Yes. Kung Fu Panda.
Express.
What? Oh.
Yep, that's hot.
What is that?
Memory card full.
Ooh.
So you want us to talk
What's
extra
that
louder?
chicken called? From the Chinese restaurant.
Sweet
Yeah.
fire chicken?
Sweet fire? That's what it's called?
I don't know. It depends which one you mean. Sweet and sour?
That's hot.
That's the spicy one, the one that Mom
It
likes
looks
getting.
good. Is it hot? Spicy?
What do you think? I'm coughing.
I'm tuning. Oh, it's not as hot now. It just hits you the
Because your
closer.
mouth is already hot. What?
My mouth already feels like I'm coughing.
There you go.
Okay.
Round
two. I didn't know Domino's sold wings.
Second one. These are regular buffalo wings.
I
I
actually
really
like...
like the look of that one. So it looks normal, and then there's the... So you're still eating the last one.
Oh, I'm hungry, okay?
You know what? We don't need it. Put it in the bucket.
No! No, I'm not wasting that. Okay.
Grab one and smack me and
cleaning
snack me. Oh.
That sounds bad. Oh, gross. Oh,
Smack
this
it.
is like from that restaurant.
Hot. Oh. Hot. Burnt my fingertip. Yeah.
Tastes like Frank's Red Hot Sauce.
It probably is.
Kinda looks like it. Did you just eat that whole thing?
Almost.
Oh my god.
So what's the verdict on this one?
You could just make this
I
at home.
actually like this one better than the last one. Because the first time was really spicy, and then the second time you take a bite, it just didn't taste as good as the first time.
Well, I mean, these ones, they taste a bit better. 'Cause, I mean, these you could just make at home.
Mm-hmm.
I love box.
Round
three.
three.
I feel I like this.
I bet them
It actually smells like pizza, which is interesting.
Come on.
Yeah. Oh. That looks like cheesy bread.
Oh, it's buffalo cheesy bread.
It's interesting.
Well, try it.
What's that?
Oh no, it's chicken
It
and
is.
cheese.
Oh, it is.
That's weird.
chicken, cheese.
Smack it. Hey, you're supposed to say snack it.
I'm hungry. I like that.
That's good. It actually tastes like a normal buffalo, but you can taste the cheese in it. To me, it kind of tastes like
Oh.
if you put things that hot on a macaroni, on macaroni and eat it like that with chicken on it. But
Oi!
Last one.
Round four.
Holy crap, I like that. I like that one.
There's more chicken?
Mm-hmm.
It's chicken, cheese, and jalapeno. Eat it straight off.
My house get my eyes. Can't see anything. Ooh, this one's greasy. Ooh, look how greasy that one is.
I'm not gonna touch it with my bare hands. 'Cause that's
What?
funny. No, you want a jalapeno on it.
It's losing it.
No, I'm not losing it. I don't want to touch it and then touch my eye. Smack it. Smack it.
This one tastes just like that one.
Which one?
The first one. Which one?
The first one.
Yeah.
The pineapple habanero.
Yeah.
I actually don't. I thought the pineapple habanero would taste better than it did.
Okay, we're gonna put them in order.
So this is the last one.
That's
I
the
actually
one
kind of like this one.
you do like.
Yeah. The only reason why I like it is because I like spicy food,
Pop them open.
and I actually put a habanero on one, so to me it tasted better.
So put them in order, best to worst.
So
I'll
this
say-
is best and this is worst.
I'm
Okay.
gonna say in the
Yeah, I think it's actually almost in the right order.
there. So
So-
I mean, you can make those at home.
Good, but not exciting.
Yeah, I mean, we do that with chicken nuggets and what's,
Yeah, we did that yesterday with chicken nuggets and fig stuff hot.
Yeah, with McDonald's.
Nugget. No, it was
Yeah.
Burger King's nuggets.
Okay. Number
Yeah.
2. Not a fan.
Well,
No, I'm a fan of it.
I like it, but it's not as hot as I would,
I just-
because I thought it would have the same punch as it did every single time, even though it didn't.
Okay. Number 3.
I like it.
The buffalo chicken cheese.
Yes. Still, to me, it tasted
Whoa.
like macaroni, but things
Pepper
had hot and chicken on it.
And number 4.
I like
I
that
actually
one
like
too.
this one better than all of them.
All right.
That one's getting 5 thumbs ups. Oh wait, I don't have 5. Okay, include yours.
That's for.
Mom, put your thumb in.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it and you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button below and hit that bell icon so you don't miss a video. Whoa,
Wait, were you about to say so don't get a video?
that's actually what it's gonna say.
Jesus.
And if you want more stuff like this, please comment below what you would like to see. As well as we have a Patreon, and we have content you can't see there. Here. Whoa. No, I completely messed that up.
That's okay. We're hungry. We must go.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. If you like this, please click the bell icon and subscribe for more videos.
Check us out on social media in the links below.
And maybe check our Patreon if you want to help support the channel.